Welcome back to Cold Black Survival. Today we're gonna take $20, hit up the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna get us 3 days worth of food and supplies. So today we're going on a journey to show you how $20 can get you 3 days worth of supplies. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to start prepping. You just need a little food, some water, light, something to take care of your hygiene, and just enough for all of them to stay sane for 72 hours. Remembering my rule of threes, I'm gonna start with some water and out of all the options available, I'm gonna go with the gallon sizes. They only had distilled water in gallon sizes, which ain't nothing wrong with it. I would have preferred purified or spring water, but this will do. And again, it's just to get us started. And also remember that it's recommended that you have 1 gallon per person per day. So let's head down this food aisle next. Remember my goal of 72 hours. I'm gonna try to find stuff high in protein and calories that doesn't require no cooking or as little cooking as possible. So this beef chili right here, 300 plus calories, nice amount of protein. Grab one of those. Yeah, that'll work. Also, let's see, I'm gonna get a can of this ravioli. Also beef, there's 320 calories. There's a couple canned goods. They also got jars of peanut butter up here. They got the option of creamy peanut butter and honey spread peanut butter. I'm gonna go with the honey just because it tastes better and peanut butter has a long shelf life and it's a great source of protein. I'm gonna also add this can of beef stew. It's easy to heat and it's filling. I'm gonna also head over here and grab me some of this oatmeal. It's just add water. It's quick. It's a fast breakfast. I can eat off of it for multiple days, so this will be perfect for the 72-hour kit we're putting together. So I'm gonna skip these saltines. I'm gonna go down here to these Clubhouse and Ritz wannabe crackers. They'll go great with the chili and stew. I could also eat them with the peanut butter. This is a great little supplement to add to the stash that I could eat off of again for multiple days. So I'm gonna grab these just because I got some Ritz at home already. And morale is important. So again, while I'm over here, I'm gonna grab a little snacky snack. I'm gonna get this protein bars. Well, not protein, but it's a granola bar. Get the one with the chocolate in it. Keep in mind, $20 is the budget, and this is for 72 hours. So I'm gonna grab some milk while I'm over here. We got the option of almond, 1%, some oat milk, but I'm gonna grab this 2% milk, strictly for the protein and the vitamins inside of it. Also, make sure to check the date. This shelf-stable milk doesn't expire until 2026. Now we're gonna head over here for the lighting options. You can never have too many flashlights. So based on the options available, I'm gonna grab one of these little lanterns, use AA batteries. Again, some light is better than no light. So wham. So I'm gonna also go to this candle aisle and see if I can grab me some tea light candles. Dollar Tree is usually a good spot for those. And out of what's available, I'm gonna grab this little 20 pack down here. Yeah, as you see, it gives you the option to light multiple spots at one time versus having just a stationary singular spot of light. I'm gonna also head over here, grab me some batteries. And out of all these batteries over here, that's $1.25. For some strange reason, the little junk that down there, this the one that ended up in my basket for the $5. But I'll catch it once I get to the counter. Now next up, we're gonna head over here and get us some for some hygiene purposes. You know, I say good hygiene is good health, and we do not want to end up sick in this 3 days that we are sheltering in place for whatever the reason is. So we don't want to waste our drinking water trying to keep our hands clean. We're gonna prep for it in advance. So that's a wrap. Let's head to this counter and check out and see what we got. Don't forget our budget was $20. We're not trying to live in luxury. We're just trying to get something to eat, something to drink, stay clean. Because being ready does not mean being rich. It's about having the knowledge to be resourceful with what you have and knowing what you got to do to get what you're trying to get. And it was at this moment when I realized, oh, that's the right battery. But that's it. Grand total of 1916. If you made it this far into the video, comment down below what you would have added to the list. So look, survival doesn't always mean running off into the woods. Sometimes the safest place is right at home, but only if you're ready for it. If this helped you out at all, drop a comment below and tell me what you would do differently with that same $20. What's your go-to item from the Dollar Tree that people sleep on? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, because we've got more affordable, realistic survival game coming every week. This is Cold Black Survival. When the lights go off, we stay lit.